Hi guys, today we are going to unbox simple machines. Which is this? I'll say if you want to buy simple machines, it may be different, but it would be same. If you want to buy that, link is in the description. So let's open it. First, let's read. It is Intro to Mechanical Engineering. Learn about and build examples of the 6 simple machines, not mechanics. I got it in 79 crowns, and which is $29. It is of dollars. $29.99, which is $30. So I got it cheap. It is cheap. I didn't got online. I got it. I did it. Now look this. Simple Mechanics. Introduction to Mechanical Physics. This is written in the booklet. Of this, you will get a booklet. Let's look this. There is pieces 132, experiments 36, and manual pages 32. Now pieces, let's see first. Pieces we got here, how many are? And then here is the manual, 32 pages. So let's unbox this. I unboxed it. Now let's open it. Opened it. Now let's go here. Okay, first thing we got is the simple mechanics. Manual. So this we will do afterwards. Keep it aside. Then we got a bottle. Need of bottle. That must be our experiment. Then we got some these pieces. Then we got this. Then we got this. Okay. This is a rare piece, this purple one. This is only one in this kit. Very good. So, let's put it back. Now, I forgot to put the bottle. Now let's come on to the simple machines manual. Simple machines manual. Okay. Important information. Warning: not suitable for children under 3 years. check handle small parts may be swallowed or installed. These trains have long cords may be become vapored around the neck. Keep the packing and they contain important information. Store the experiment material and assemble models out of each of the small children. This is important information. Then there are tips, anchor pins and connectors. Means we have to how to connect anchor pins. That's what all. Then there are all this. Then there is a measure force with the sprite scale. This experiments we will do in the next vlog, and 3 tips of levers you will need. So this tells you what you need. So that's a good thing. So this tells what you need also. So that's good. This is for dear parents. So, this part. You can pause the video and read it. You can read this introduction also. Pause the video and read it if you want. Read. You can even read what will come. These 2 pages. Pause the video. And then we got this. The experiment that we'll do in next vlog. This is a good game. My father bought it from Solna Centrum. I was living in India, but I came here in Stockholm. So this is good. I got it cheap. And if you want to buy it, link is in the description. And this is Simple Mechanics. You can buy it from stores. I buy it from a store, not on any app like Amazon. So these are experiments. So these are good experiments. These are not Legos. These are something else. So in the next vlog you can see. I'll make one and you see. So till then, like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Thank you.